Example: Sacon, Scypha, Spongilla, freshwater sponge, and Euspongia. Bracket bath sponge. 4.2.2 Phylum Coelenterata. In bracket Cnidaria. They are aquatic, mostly marine, sessile, free or free swimming, radially symmetrical animal. In bracket figure 4.6, the name Cnidaria is derived from the cyanodoblast or cyanodocyst, which contain the stinging capsule or nematodes present on the tentacles and body. Cyanodoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and for the capture of prey. In bracket figure 4.7, cyanidarians exhibit tissue level of organization and are diploblastic. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth on hypostomy. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular. Some of the cyanidarian example corals have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Cyanidarians exhibit two basic body forms called polyp and medusa. In bracket figure 4.6, the former is a sessile and cylindrical form like hydra, adamsia, etc., whereas the latter is umbrella shape and free swimming like Aurelia or jellyfish. Those cyanidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generation. In bracket metagenesis. Polyp produce medusae asexually and medusae form the polyp sexually. In bracket Obelium. Example: Physalia. In bracket Portuguese man of war. Adamsia, C. anemone, Pinnatula, C. pen, Gorgonia, in bracket C. fan, and Mindriana, brain coral. 4.2.3 Phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora, commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies, are exclusively marine, radially symmetrical, diploblastic organisms with tissue level of organization. The body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates which help in locomotion. In bracket figure 4.8, digestion is both extracellular and intracellular bioluminescence. In bracket, the property of living organism to emit light is well marked in ctenophores. Sexes are not separated. Reproduction takes place only by sexual means. Fertilization is external with indirect development. Example: Pleurobrachia and Ctenopelana. 4.2.4 Phylum Platyhelminthes. They are dorsoventrally flattened body, hence are called flatworm. Bracket figure 4.9. These are mostly endoparasites found in animal, including human being. Flatworms are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and achoilomates. Animals with organ level of organization, hooks and suckers are present in the parasitic form. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host directly through their body surface. Specially, cells called flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. Sexes are not separate. Fertilization is internal and development is through many larval stages. Some members like Planaria possess high regeneration capacity. Example: Tinea, in bracket tapeworm, Fasciola, in bracket liver flick. Example of Platyhelminthes: A. tapeworm, B. liver flick. 4.2.5 Phylum Aschelminthes. The body of Aschelminthes is circular in cross section, hence the name. Roundworms In bracket figure 4.10, they may be free living, aquatic and terrestrial or parasitic in plant and animal. Roundworm have organ system, level of body organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and pseudocoelomate animals. Alimentary canal is completely with a well-developed muscular pharynx and excretory tube remove body waste from the body cavity through the excretory pole. Sexes are separated. In bracket dioecious, male and female are distinct. Often female are longer than male. Fertilization is internal and development may be direct. In bracket, the young ones resemble the adult or indirect. Example Ascaris. In bracket roundworm, Wucheria. In bracket Filaria worm, Ancylostoma. In bracket hookworm. 4.2.6. Phylum Annelida. They may be aquatic, in bracket marine and freshwater, or terrestrial free living and sometimes parasitic. They exhibit organ system, level of body organization and bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic, metamerically segmented and coelomate animal. Their body surface is distinctly marked out into segments or metameres, and hence the phylum name Annelida. In bracket Latin annulus, little ring. In bracket figure 4.11, they possess longitudinal and circular muscle which help in locomotion. Aquatic annelids like Nereis possess lateral appendage parapodia which help in swimming. A closed circulatory system is present. Nephridia, in bracket sign nephridium, help in osmoregulation and excretion. Neural system consists of paired ganglia, in bracket sign ganglion, connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve called nares. An aquatic form is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are monoecious. Reproduction is sexual. Example Nares, Pheretima, in bracket earthworm, and Hyrudinaria, in bracket blood sucking leech. Example of annelid A. Nares and Hyrudinaria. Phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum of Animalia, which include insect. Over 2/3 of all named species on earth are arthropods. In bracket figure 4.12. They have organ system, level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, segmented and coelomata animals. The body of arthropods is covered by chitinous exoskeletons. The body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. They have jointed appendage, in bracket orthos, joint, poda, appendage. Respiratory organs are gill, book, lungs or tracheal system. Circulatory system is of open type. Sensory organ like antennae, eyes, in bracket compound and simple. Stectocyst or balancing organ are present. Excretion take place through Malpighian's tubules. They are mostly dioecious. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous. Development may be directed or indirect. Example economically important insect apis, in bracket honeybee, bombyx, silkworm, laccifer, in bracket lake insect, vectors, Anopheles, Culex and Aedes, in bracket mosquitoes, gregarious pest, Locusta, in bracket locust. Living fossils, Limulus, in bracket king crab. 4.2.8 Phylum Mollusca. This is the second largest animal phylum, in bracket figure 4.13. Molluscas are terrestrial or aquatic, in bracket marine or freshwater, having an organ system, level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. Body is covered by calcareous shell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin forms a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called the mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory function. The anterior head region has sensory tentacles. The mouth contains a file-like rasping organs for feeding called radula.